My kitchen is driving me crazy. I have a pretty big problem in my kitchen, and today we are going to try and fix it. What's the big problem? The spices. The house that I'm living in is amazing, but there is one really strange thing about it, and that is that the drawers are all really shallow, and so you can't put any of your spices in the drawers. There's no way to have a spice drawer here. And so we have tried everything to organize the spices, and absolutely nothing has worked. We've tried keeping the spices in a neat little rack, actually 3 of them. That didn't work. Right now they are sitting in my crock pot and also in this milk crate. Both of those are terrible ideas. And we also tried something a little unusual. Our friends gave us this old CD storage rack, and the spices fit on it perfectly. And it seemed like it was going to be great, but then they started falling out the back. So I was like, fine, I'll go buy some wood to put on the back. But when I turned it around, I found that it has holes that we can use to hang it on the wall. So today we're taking this old CD rack and we are going to make it into a nice new hanging spice cabinet. I'm going to grab the spray paint, black, because I'm doing a Coca-Cola theme in the kitchen, and the spice rack, and an old sheet. And I'll meet you outside in a minute. Now we're outside, and when I brought this outside, it came apart into 2 separate pieces. And the little sticks actually come out. But this works pretty well, actually, because now we can really spray the inside really well and know it's going to be coated and look really nice. Luckily, there's a little bit of wind today, but not too much, which means it'll dry faster, but that the paint shouldn't blow everywhere. So, how do you get this thing open? Is there a trick? My hands may not be big enough for this. Hold on. Ah. Child-proof things are not meant for short people with little bitty hands. Aha! I got it. Don't forget to shake the can, and let's go. Next time I guess I should add that we should weight down the sheet, but we didn't and we lived. So we're gonna let these dry for a while and then we'll flip them and do the other side. So now I've waited like, I don't know, 15 minutes maybe. And I touched the places that had paint and they were nice and dry. So I flipped them onto the side. Notice that these need some touching up. So we're going to touch up this area and spray paint the end of the other side. Now we're going to let these dry a little while and then I'll be back. All right, so this has definitely been a learning process. I made some mistakes. You can see, I think, where the spray paint was too heavy and it dripped down and formed some drops. But honestly, I don't care. I just really really want my spices to be organized. So we are going to, I think this will be done. I'm not sure. I may have some more touch up to do after this, but let's see. Whatever, it'll be fine. All right, we're gonna let those dry. Then we will move them around, do some touch-ups if we need to. All right, so we're gonna pick these up, check them. Ooh, they're a little stuck. See if there's any touch-ups we need to do. Oh, yeah, definitely some touch-ups here. Some of that I think is because it's a white, they were sitting on a white sheet and they picked up a little of the dust from it. But some of it I think is just simply because of the angle that I spray painted it from. So we've got to do this edge for sure. And this side. Let's look at the big one. All right, this one looks good. I don't see any parts of it that need touched up. Oh, one itty bitty place there. Really? All right, it's done for now. We will wait until my husband wakes up, and then we will probably use some wood glue to cement the ends in, and then put them up. See you later for spice organization. And check it out, it's done. Doesn't that look so much better? And now I have a place to put all of the different electronic appliances, and there's a plug right back here. Perfect. Have you ever tried to repurpose something for your kitchen? I would love to hear about it in the comments. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.